Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, accept whatever you want to accept my good wish, right? So, we teachers are hoping that you all are very fine and doing great studies at your home, okay? Because we can't do anything students, this is the right, I can't say right, but this is the only way to learn something without coming school. Okay, so now move on and we will discuss about the studies. We already started chapter number 9, uses of plant, and you have seen the first lecture, right? So this is the second lecture, and in this chapter we will learn two main things. First, useful things we get from the plants. Second, how do they help us in breathing. These two things are the main attraction of the lesson. First one is useful things we get from the plants, and second one, how do they help us in breathing, right? So whatever we learnt in the previous lecture, first we will take the recap. The trees are the pride of our nation. Take a place today to plant one during each vacations. Yes, trees are not only pride of our nation, but it is the pride of the entire world. The entire world. Without plant, without tree, without nature, we human being cannot stay alive. We human being cannot survive without nature. है ना? Nature means water, plants, river, mountains. These all are the necessary parts in human beings' life to stay alive, right? So your chapter number 9 is all about the plant, but here we will not discuss about the parts of the plants, about the different kinds of the plants, about the different functions of the plants. No, we will not discuss about that. Then what we will discuss? Yes, we will discuss what we are getting from the plants. How many kinds of the foods we are getting from the plants. Not only the food, but we are getting so many things from the plants. Different types of raw material, different types of food items, we all are getting from the plants only, right? So in first paragraph what is written? Plants are very useful to us. If there would have been no plants, we would not have been able to survive. Yes, I already told you, I already explained you that plants are very necessary not only for human beings, but it is necessary to entire the environment. Entire पूरी तरह से जो हमारे आसपास का सराउंडिंग है, जो environment है, वो सारा का सारा प्लांट्स पर ही डिपेंड करता है, right? So, and plants make our surrounding more beautiful, more pleasant. When we will go for a nature walk, we can see. If we cannot see plants around us, we are not feeling good. When we have plant around us, we feel happy, we feel pleasant, we feel so blessed. Yes, we have proper purified air. Whatever air we all are getting from the plants, it is necessary to us to stay alive, right? So paragraph number 2, today we will discuss about this paragraph. Paragraph number 2, this wala beta, second wala. What do plants provide us? What do plants provide us? It means things we all are getting from the plants. How many things we all are getting from the plants? We will learn all these things in the chapter, right? So first whatever is written I will read for you, then I will explain you. Plants are a rich source of food for all of us. Yes, I already told you when we read about the food, the chapter number 2 food. Now that time I already told you, I already explained you that plants and animals, these two are the rich sources of food. Whatever food we all are eating in our day-to-day life, we get plants only. The big percentage goes to the plants, है ना? And we all are getting food from the animals only. But here we will not go with the animal, we will go with the plants, because your chapter is based on uses of plants. Yes. So we eat roots, stem, leaves, fruit and flower of plants. Once again I will read this line. Plants are a rich sources of food for all of us. It is very correct written over here. Plants is the biggest source of food. Second, we eat roots, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers of plants. So when if I want to explain this line number 2, I have to draw pictures of the plant, then only I can explain to you. Otherwise I can't explain you without picture, right? Okay, so this is the picture of the plant, and what is written in your book? We eat roots. So where are the roots of the plants? Here. These are the roots of the plants, right? And we eat stem. Stem also we all are eating. So I will write stem over here. And leaves. Leaves are, I will also write. Then fruits, yes, fruits picture is also here, so I will write flower, yes, okay. So this line is written in your book that we eat roots, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers of the plant. This picture of root I draw for you, stem I draw, leaves, flowers, fruits, all I have draw for you. But dear students, this question is click is in your mind, this questions comes is in your mind, this questions raise is in your mind. How we can eat all these parts of a plant. These questions comes is in your mind. ये क्वेश्चन जब आप ये लाइन पढ़ेंगे कि we eat root, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers of the plant, तो this question click is in your mind. ये आपके माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए कि how we can eat the roots of a plant, how we can eat the stem of a plant, how we can eat the leaves of a plant, how we can eat the flower of a plant, how we can eat the fruit of a plant. गुलाब के फूल को क्या, गुलाब के फूल को डायरेक्टली खा लेते हो, उसके स्टेम्स को खाते हो, उसके लीव्स को खाते हो? दिस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपके दिमाग में आने चाहिए। सो बेटा आंसर इस बात का ये है कि वी विल नॉट ईट these parts of the plants as like they. No, we all are eating the all parts of the plants, but in the form of food. है ना? समझ में आई आपको ये बात? Are you getting my point? Are you understanding what I am trying to say? I am trying to say you is that we all are eating all the parts of the plant. We all are eating roots of the plant. We all are eating stem of the plant. We all are eating leaves of the plant. We all are eating flowers of the plant. We all are eating fruits of the plants. But not only in this form. इस तरीके से नहीं खाते हैं। Then what is the right way to eat all these things? Yes, the right way to eat all these things, we all are eating these parts in the form of food. In the form of food, right? So when we will discuss about the roots, when we will discuss about the roots, क्या आपके दिमाग में क्या बात आती है कि रूट्स को कैसे खाते हैं? सो देयर आर 2 pictures is given in your book. Let's see what are these. These pictures are carrot, turnip, carrot, turnip. So we all are eating the parts of the root. We all are eating the parts of the root, है ना? But we all are not taking out the plant of the root and starts eating. No, we all are not doing like that. We all are eating in the form of food. So in this category, carrot, turnip, radish and onion also. Onion will also come in this category. Yes, we all are eating all these things: carrot, turnip, radish, onion. These all are the roots of the plant. But we all are not eating in the direct form. We all are eating in the food form. हम इसको खाते तो है प्लांट्स की रूट को, लेकिन हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं कि प्लांट्स को उखाड़ा और सीधे उसकी रूट को चबाने लग गए। हम इसको खाने के रूप में खाते हैं, ठीक है? सो कौन कौन सी वो वेजिटेबल्स हैं? कैरेट, टर्निप, रेडिश एंड अनियन। इसके अलावा भी रेदर देन ऑल दीज वी हैव some more vegetables which we all are eating in the root form. समझ में आई आपको ये बात? होप आपको समझ में आई होगी कि we all are eating the roots, but directly we all are, see I am repeating all the things again and again so you don't have any confusion is in your mind. Everything is clear, should be over here. Right? We all are eating roots, but not directly. We all are eating roots in the form of food. खाने के रूप में खाते हैं, like carrot, गाजर. We all are eating गाजर. We all are making the salad of the carrot. We all are making the गाजर का हलवा. We all are making the soup of carrot. है ना? Turnip. We all are eating this one in the form of food, in the form of salad. We all are using radish. Radish is also the part of the food we all are eating, है ना. रेडिश इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल मूली, है ना. इन विंटर सीजन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रेडिश, मूली के पराठे, है ना. एंड वी इन्वॉल्व दिस रेडिश इन आवर सैलड, राइट. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस, वी ईट स्टेम, वी ईट स्टेम, यस, वी ईट स्टेम. सी नंबर 2, स्टेम. स्टेम में क्या क्या आता है? जिंजर एंड शुगर कैन. सो वंस अगेन वी ऑल आर ईटिंग, we all are eating stem, we all are eating stem also, but directly we are not cutting the stem and we start eating. No, it is not happening like this. इस तरह से नहीं होता है. So we all are eating in the form of food. So in this category, how many things will come? Ginger, sugar cane, or and potato. Potato is the favorite vegetable of you. Yes. So we all are eating stem. This is also the part of the plant, but we all are not eating directly. We all are eating in the form of food. So stem के कैटेगरी में कौन कौन से फूड आते हैं? जिंजर, शुगर कैन एंड पोटैटो. ठीक है, जिंजर, sugar cane and potato, we all are having all these things in the form of food, है ना. Mama and papas always drinking ginger tea. Mama are putting the ginger in the spice of the vegetable. मसालों में भी यूज करते हैं. sugar cane juice, गन्ने का रस, we all love to have गन्ने का रस, है ना. and sugar cane, without sugar cane we cannot get चीनी, sugar, we cannot get jaggery, है ना. sugar and jaggery is made up on sugar cane only. Whatever dish, whatever sweet dish we all are eating, it is made up only sugar cane. गन्ने से ही शक्कर, चीनी और गुड़ बनता है, और इन्हीं चीज़ों से मिठाइयाँ बनती हैं. सारे मीठे आइटम, सारे स्वीट डिशेस इन्हीं से बनते हैं. एंड पोटैटो, ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस लव टू ईट पोटैटो. फ्रेंच फ्राइज और फिंगर फ्राइज, you all love to eat. आलू का पराठा, you all love to eat. सूखी आलू की सब्जी विद पूरी, है ना. So we all are eating all these things, but not only directly, we all are eating in the form of food, right. Now number 3, we eat the leaves. We eat the leaves. Yes, we all are eating leaves also, है ना. We all are eating leaves also, but in the form of food, है ना. So in this category in your book there are two names given, Spanish cabbage, but we can write many more, mint and leafy vegetables. We can include leafy vegetable. Means what is leafy vegetable? Leafy vegetable means Spanish, methi, coriander, mint, cabbage. This is the category of the leafy vegetables, है ना. पालक, मेथी, धनिया, हरा पुदीना and पत्ता गोभी. This is the category of leaves, and we all are not eating leaves directly. ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम गए, हमने पत्तियां तोड़ी और चबाना शुरू कर दिया. No, it is not like that. It is not happening in our life, है ना. we all are eating the parts of the plant of leaves, but directly we can't. We are eating in the form of food, and in this category Spanish, cabbage, mint and leafy vegetables, all the leafy vegetables will come in this category. We love to eat palak ki puri, we love to eat palak paneer, we love to eat methi ke parathe, we love to eat methi ki puri and methi ka saag, we love to eat धनिए की चटनी, पुदीने की चटनी, है ना. This is very good for our health, and we all are eating in the form of food, in the form of food, right? So now move on, and we will discuss about we eat the fruits. Yes, fruits also we all are eating. Some fruits, no, every fruit we can eat raw. सारे फ्रूट्स को हम कच्चे ही खाते हैं. We can eat the part of the plant of fruit, and we all are eating all types of fruits. Why we all are eating all types of fruits? Because fruits and vegetables protect us from the diseases. If we want to protect ourselves, we have to eat all types of vegetables. We have to eat all types of fruits also, right? So here we all are eating the part of the plant is fruit, and we all are eating all types of fruits, all types of fruits. And fruits is the thing which we can eat raw form. ठीक है, फ्रूट को हम रॉ फॉर्म में भी खा सकते हैं. रॉ मीन्स कच्चा, right? Now it's time to talk about seeds. It's time to talk about seeds. See beta, every plant has flower, every plant has bud, every plant has flower, every plant has fruit, and every fruit has seeds. ऐसा दुनिया में कोई भी फ्रूट नहीं है जिसके बीज नहीं होते हैं. हर फ्रूट्स के बीज होते हैं बेटा, हर फ्रूट्स के बीज होते ही हैं. सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैंगो. मैंगो का सीड्स क्या है? यस, आम की जो गुठली होती है ना, दैट इज द सीड ऑफ मैंगो. वो साइज में बड़ी होती है और एक ही होती है ना. व्हेन यू विल कट द एप्पल, you can see small brown seeds inside the apple, है ना. वो गिनती में 8 या 10 होते हैं. So when you will eat the pear also have the seeds. Papaya also have so many seeds, so many black seeds inside it. So every fruit has seeds. उसी सीड से तो दूसरा पौधा बनेगा, दूसरा प्लांट बनेगा ना. अगर किसी भी प्लांट का बीज नहीं होगा तो वो कैसे बनेगा, दूसरा प्लांट कैसे बनेगा? ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी टू हैव सीड्स. एवरी फ्रूट हैज सीड्स इनसाइड इट, राइट? सो सीड्स की कैटेगरी में व्हाट वी ऑल आर ईटिंग? हाँ, पी एंड wheat and rice and grains. We all are eating in the seed form, right? So seeds की कैटेगरी में P means green pea. Here the picture of green pea, hari matar. In Hindi we can call, in Nimad we are calling this batla na. So we all are eating the seeds also. This is the part of the plant, and we all are eating in the form of food. Don't forget this line, keep this line, remember always, we all are eating seeds of the plants in the form of food, है ना. So here only 2 examples are given, peas and rice, peas and rice, but corn, wheat, oats, pulses, grains, all they will come in this category. ये सारे के सारे seeds के examples हैं. These all are the examples of seeds. What are they? Corn, rice, wheat, oats, peas, pulses. These all are the examples of the seeds, right? Now we will discuss. We eat the flour also. Yes, flour is the most beautiful part. So, what we are eating? Yes, cauliflower and broccoli. There are two names are given in your book: cauliflower and broccoli. This is the form of the flower. We all are eating this part of the plant, but we all are eating in the form of food. We all are eating in the form of food, right? So what are the example? Cauliflower and broccoli. Okay. So in the second last line we get cereals like wheat, rice and pulses like moong and grain from the plants. Cereals and pulses are food grains. So cereal means what? This word cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereal like wheat. Cereal means अनाज की पूरी एक श्रृंखला. ठीक है, जो भी हम सूखा अनाज जिससे हम अपना रोज का खाना खाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड सीरियल्स. सीरियल्स की कैटेगरी में क्या क्या एग्जाम्पल है बेटा? व्हीट है, राइस है, व्हीट यानी गेहूं, राइस यानी तो आपको पता है ये चावल, पल्सेस यानी दालें, हर तरह की दाल, चाहे वो मूंग की दाल हो, तुअर की दाल हो, अरहर की दाल हो, ठीक है, मसूर की दाल हो, उड़द की दाल हो, चने की दाल हो. देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ pulses which we all are eating in the form of food, है ना? So मूंग का हलवा, है ना, उड़द की दाल के लड्डू, मूंग के भजिए, मंगोड़े जिसको आप बोलते हो, ठीक है. एंड और क्या, चावल के भी लड्डू बनते हैं, आटे के भी लड्डू बनते हैं, आटे का हलवा बनता है, मूंग की दाल का हलवा बनता है, चने की दाल से मीठी पूरन पूरी बनती है जो आप लोगों को अच्छी लगती है, मोदक बनते हैं, लड्डू बनते हैं. सो बहुत सारी, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच वी ऑल आर ईटिंग इन आवर लाइफ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड, राइट. और ग्रेन्स यानी साबुत खड़ा अनाज, ठीक है, ग्रेन्स यानी साबुत खड़ा अनाज. मम्मा आपके लिए वो बनाती है ना, चने भिगोकर, स्प्राउट्स जैसे चने फ्राई कर कर, तो आप खाते हैं ना उसको नींबू और प्याज से गार्निश करके. हाँ, यस. सो हम उसको राजमा की भी सब्जी खाते हैं ना. राजमा वेजिटेबल इज वेरी गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. ओके, सो दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द parts of the plants, but we all human beings are eating all parts of plants like root, stem, leaves, branch, fruit, seeds, flowers. We all are eating the all parts of the plants, but we all are eating in the food form. We all are eating these parts in the form of food, right? So roots में क्या क्या खाते हैं? कैरेट, टर्निप, रेडिश, अनियन. स्टेम में जिंजर, शुगर कैन, पोटैटो. लीव्स में ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लीफी वेजिटेबल लाइक पालक, मेथी, धनिया, पुदीना, है ना, वी ऑल आर ईटिंग. एंड फ्लावर में cauliflower एंड ब्रोकली. एंड सीड्स में मटर, बटला, पी, राइस, ग्रेन्स, पल्सेस, सीरियल्स, फूड ग्रेन्स, ये सारी चीजें वी ऑल आर ईटिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड, राइट. So dear students, this is enough learning from my side to you, and I am giving you a small work. you have to draw the pictures, or if you can't draw you can paste the pictures, है ना। आपको कैसे करना है, आपको अगर आपने रूट लिखा तो आपको रूट के एग्जाम्पल्स, आपको रूट का पिक्चर बनाना है, ठीक है। आपको रूट का पिक्चर आई विल टेल यू। जैसे ये मैंने रूट का पिक्चर बनाया है, मैंने रूट लिखा है, और रूट में हम क्या क्या चीजें खाते हैं आपको ऐसे लिखना है। फिर यहाँ पर ये स्टेम है, स्टेम का पिक्चर है, ठीक है। स्टेम मैंने यहाँ लिखा है। अब स्टेम में हम क्या क्या चीजें फूड के फॉर्म में खाते हैं, यू हैव टू मेंशन ओवर हियर। आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है जिंजर, शुगर कैन, पोटैटो, लाइक दिस, ठीक है। फिर जब लीव्स की बारी आती है तो लीव्स का पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया है, लीव्स लिखा है। अब लीव्स में हम क्या क्या खाते हैं, स्पेनिश खाते हैं, मिंट खाते हैं, कोरिएंडर खाते हैं, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं, वो आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। जब फ्लावर की बात होगी तो फ्लावर का पिक्चर आपको ड्रॉ करना है, और फिर लिखना है कॉलीफ्लावर, ब्रोकली, इस टाइप के एग्जांपल्स आपको लिखना है। और फ्रूट्स की बात होगी तो आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, मैंगो, एप्पल, बनाना, कुछ भी, पपाया, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं। और सीड्स की बात होगी तो पी, राइस, व्हीट, सीरियल, पल्सेस, ऑल, कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। पर आपको इसी तरह से ड्रॉ करना है और उसके आगे मेंशन करना है। रूट के आगे एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रूट, स्टेम के आगे एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्टेम, लीव्स के आगे उसके एग्जांपल्स, देन उसके बाद फ्रूट्स के एग्जांपल, फ्लावर के एग्जांपल, सीड्स के एग्जांपल, राइट। सो आई एम होपिंग दैट यू विल डू एंड यू विल गिव मी your photograph, you will send me your photograph through WhatsApp, right? So this is enough learning from my side to you. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. Keep watching, keep studying, keep doing. Good is in your life. Bye. 5 minutes.